So of course, the first big key feature with the new Nintendo Switch is that 7-inch OLED display, which is going to be really good, really beautiful. You get more screen real estate. Games are going to look better on it. I imagine some games will get some updates to take advantage of that new OLED display that's on it, richer, more vibrant colors. And then you also have that enhanced sound that they built into it as well too, to give you much more richer, immersive experience when you're playing games and when you're watching and streaming content on the new Nintendo Switch OLED model, which is a weird name, but that's what Nintendo likes to do. And I think that's going to be pretty cool, especially when using in handheld mode and in table mode. Now, speaking of table mode, I think the next big key feature that not a lot of people are going to talk about is that new wide kickstand that they have on it. That new wide stand is going to make things much more stable when you have it in that tabletop mode, and you're going to be able to get it at a different angle, so you can get it at the angle exactly the way you want it. I think that's going to be really cool, really key to have that. Seems like it's going to be able to open up and kind of close really simply and really smoothly, but you're obviously going to need to close it when you put it into the new Nintendo Switch dock, which I think is the third key feature here, which is that new dock that looks a little more fancier, but it has a built-in wired Ethernet connection, which I think is pretty cool. Now, we've shown you here on the channel how to use USB Ethernet adapters with the current Nintendo Switch docks to be able to get a LAN connection, but having that built in exchange for a USB port, that's okay. I think that's pretty good to kind of have here, especially for those who do a lot of competitive online gaming. You're playing Smash, Splatoon, things like that. You're just having a steady wired connection is just much better than having a wireless connection. And I think a lot of those that are into playing games like that, especially in docked mode, are going to definitely appreciate that. So I definitely think that's a good feature. Let me know what you think on that. Are you going to pick up a Nintendo Switch OLED model? I think it's pretty cool. And if you are, you probably want to check out these videos here and get yourself prepared for when you need to transfer your data from your old Switch to the brand new Nintendo Switch OLED model. Got to get a better name than that, I feel.